Hello, today a quick tutorial about a plugin that I found for IDA that I find pretty useful. It's called HRTNG by Kaspersky, and it's a collection of features and tools for IDA Pro. But in my case, I'm only interested in the de-inline function. Come on, okay. Um, which, let me just show it by the video they show here. You can grab a bunch of code, make it an inline version of it, and replace it in the pseudocode with the inline function call instead of all the internal code. Okay, let me quickly show you how this works. So here, for example, I have arrow function that is always calling two functions in a row. So this function is in original code a single line of code, but it produces these two because the function that is called is getting inlined into the place where it's used. So you can see this pattern comes out more often. And now I can tell it to say, can tell it to mark these lines and please create me a new inline from selection. So we can rename this. So, can hover over it. There's also code that was inlined into this function. And every other instance is also replaced, but the hover over text is showing the actual replaced code. So you can see the text in here is essentially ending with try running UE4 game. And in the one before, it's require a new project file be specified. We have another instance here, we, for example, could not set game name. So it replaces this function. You cannot go into this like normal IDA functions, but you can clean up your code a lot by finding these repetitive code blocks and just placing them with an inline function. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show here. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.